Hey guys, welcome to another video. Since I've been with Tyler, their family has always vacation, and I'm not sure if you can hear me. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, I'll have the voiceover. But their family has always vacation in Cape May or Wildwood, and I love it. It's a cute little spot, something to do, very vacation-y. Something very close to not being on a what do you call it, a resort. Very windy, so I apologize in advance, but I'm saying I'm going to be running this boardwalk, something I've always wanted to do, and I'm doing it today. So today is our last day of vacationing, and I finally feel good enough to do the run. So I'm going to do the run, and it's not a tiny boardwalk, so we'll see. And this is also to say that I haven't been doing anything active or physical for 2 weeks now. Not by my own choice, but I just couldn't. So this is like my first physical activity in 2 weeks, and I'm starting off by running the boardwalk. And I don't know if I should be going up and down, or if I should just go down, or if I should just go up. I don't know. And then I keep seeing people running, but they pass the boardwalk, but it's right here that I'm seeing like the end. So I don't know where are they running to. Oh, that guy turned, so I'm gonna turn up there. Some people run all the way down there. Some people turn right here, or he's running all the way down there too. I don't know. The thing is, I don't want to cheat myself. I want to give myself the good run, so I don't know where to start, but I also don't want to go on that road and get lost. Stress. People are on that road running, but I'm gonna just do the boardwalk. Yeah, okay, let's do this. So I'm just showing you guys before I start running what the weather looked like. It was very windy, very cloudy. Yeah, it was not looking good, but I decided to do it anyways. So it's not beautiful today. I was worried that I probably wouldn't even get the chance to run. It's very cloudy. So hopefully, I looked at the weather and it says sunrise is 8:18. So fingers crossed that's the case. So we'll see. I'm dying. I don't know what I would say. Jesus. I don't think I'll be videoing a lot. It's hard. I'm at the second pier. I'm at the second pier. But that girl be tired. I made it to the end. I stopped twice. One halfway, but I only walked for 30 seconds, and then Tyler called me to ask where I was because they're biking, and I stopped for that too, to talk to him. I'm happy that he called because I was dying, so I needed to stop. But it says 1.84, and people out here doing faster. I'll get better. And I just ran down. So, I'm not sure if I'll be able to make the back up running completely like I did coming down. I'm might have to do some stops. And I want to say the breeze was working against me too. So I was fighting the breeze. And also not being active for 2 weeks. Looky here. How is biking?
This wind.
Yeah.
It's killing me.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Alright, so guys, I made it to the end, which you saw. And I knew Tyler was going to be riding a bicycle, so I thought the bicycle is going to be like that full bicycle that I could go on. It was not. So I know in the beginning I was like, do we run up and down? When I reached like 2 minutes in the run, I was like, yeah, I'm just running down. But because Tyler only got that little bicycle, I ended up running and walking back up again. So I am almost to the end. He kind of stopped me and gave me my phone because he's going to like go for the car and meet me at the end. But yeah, and walking and running is 3.3. But the boardwalk did get full. It's around 8, and you see more people walking and running. So yep, walking, running, bicycling, people getting ready to go to the beach, even though it's very dark. Something must be going on at the convention center because people waiting at the box office. I made it back right where I started, and again, don't judge. .83, but again, I walked a little more than halfway. I walked a little more than halfway coming back. So yeah, but every time I come down here, this is going to be like my go-to now. So I'll get better. But it was good. I feel good. Bye. People are still going to the beach. And people are making their way to the beach.